Today we're introducing our latest addition, the Pullover machine. This compact and user-friendly machine features handles with two different grip options that can be used both collectively and individually. Press foot pad to secure handle placement at the starting point. Ensure to adjust the seat to align your shoulder joint with the machine's bearing for proper form. Handles are free to move for added comfort during exercises, optimizing your workout experience.